In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Windows snapping feature. As you can see here, I have 4 windows on my screen. When I click on one, it overlaps the rest. And what if I want to view them side by side? So let's say I want to put Newegg here on the left and then Amazon on the right. So what I do is I'm just going to take this window here and I'm going to click and drag up on the top. And you see I'm moving it around. And I'm going to move it over here to the left side of the screen until I hit a point where that gray shape, that gray square, comes up and fills half the screen. And when I let go, it now puts this window on the left side of the screen, and then it gives me the option to take any of the other open windows on my computer, Amazon, DuckDuckGo, Google, or OBS, which is what I'm recording with here. And when I click on one of these, it'll put them on the right side of the screen. Or if I just click in the gray space out here, it'll stop. So let's say I want to put something on the right side of my screen. So I'm going to click and drag, move Newegg back to the left, bring this back up, and I want to put Amazon on the right. So I'm going to click on Amazon. And now I have Amazon on the right, Newegg on the left. If I hover my mouse in between the windows, I get this little bar that shows up. And when I click and drag, it'll actually resize while still keeping them side by side. So you don't have to manually, that way you don't have to manually try and go to the corners and move them around. You just drag it to the side and it fills that space. Perfect. The next thing I want to do, let's say I want to have all 4 windows on my screen simultaneously while still seeing them all. Well, one of the new features here with Windows 11 is I can actually come up to the corner and I can drag and drop these to the corner. So let's say I want to put DuckDuckGo down here. And let's see, let's move Amazon up here and then put Google down here. So there we go. I now have 4 different windows on my screen. So just one of the ways you can manage your windows in a way that's more organized so that you can get your work done.